How you doing, guys? This is JMV Woodworking, and I just wanted to show you. Just went and picked up the 24 volt max Kobalt drill set. I had the 20 volt, loved it, but it quit shooting, like Abe says. Um, Picked this up too. Apparently, you put it around the drill. You got all your drill bits there. That was pretty neat. $5, can't beat it. But I picked this up for, I believe, 150. It's originally 239, 229. But let me see. I want to go ahead and unbox it for you guys. See what y'all think. Huge Kobalt fan. Love all their tools. I got most of their sockets. I mean, wrenches, pliers, you name it. Love the stuff. Lifetime warranty. Great quality. I mean, you really can't beat it. Turn it around here. See the outside of the box first. Now it does come with only one battery, 2 amp hour. Comes with a bag, a handle, belt clip, another, let me see if you can see it. It's a little clip for the bits hanging off to the side of your battery and your charger. There you go. Let's see here. Pretty excited. Let's see. Well, let's take the bag out first. Apparently it's all supposed to fit in here. Yeah, it looks like it will. Pretty decent sized bag. Put that off to the side. Here comes your battery. 24 volt focus. 24 volt max lithium ion 2 amp hour with a gauge. It needs to be charged. That gauge is really handy. I mean, once you know it's about to run out, go ahead and put the other one on, you know. Let's see, this here is the handle. I'll put that on in a minute, show y'all how it connects. Feels pretty good and sturdy. Don't have no give, at least from squeezing on it. Excuse me. Okay, then we got, let's see, this thing come out? No. Easy. Okay, then you got the impact driver. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand on the phone, one hand unboxing. Got your serial numbers. Feels sturdy. I mean, it feels strong. It's got a good rubber grip to it. It's got a speed adjuster right there, speed control. If you want to go in all the way, oh, I guess it's how deep you want to drive it. Got your LED right here. You see it right there. 1/4 inch. Good snapback. Can't complain. Let's try it out. We'll put the battery on it in a minute. Here's one of the clips, or both clips, the belt clip. And you see that one that I was telling you about, you put the bits on. Does it come with the hardware? I believe so. One for each. Yeah, there's the hardware for it. Oh, and it comes with a nice little bit for it too. Neat. Okay, let's see the charger. It's pretty small. The charger is, at least. The 20 volt that I had was about twice this size. I wonder if it has a fan in it or not. I can't tell from here if it does or not. Guess we'll find out when we charge it. And then the actual drill, same sturdy handle, sturdy grip. Got your speed control up here. Nice snap action to it. You got, what is it, 23 settings for your clutch. I love this metal, these metal keyless chucks instead of the plastic that you see in a lot of tools. I hate it. I like the flat back on it. You'll put some ass in it if you're trying to drill through concrete or something. It feels sturdy. It's not too heavy. I mean, it feels good. All right. And crap, nobody reads. Oh, let's see. We got the other hardware. Comes with another bit.